Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food channel. So today's recipe is a very quick one. I'm just going to show you how to make the perfect coated fried tilapia. It's a very quick recipe, so if you're interested, let's get started. For this recipe you need 2 cups of plain flour. So this is the first cup and this is the second cup. You also need 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fish flavoring stock, and you can use any brand you like. You also need garlic granules or garlic powder, but for this recipe I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of garlic granules. Next, with a spoon, mix all the seasoning and the flour together. Next, you need the fish, and this time I'm using fresh tilapia, which I am going to wash about 2 to 3 times. Alright, my dear friends, my tilapia is ready. It has been washed. I have also got my flour mixture, and on the side I have also got a plate for my coated fish. So let's get started. So this recipe, as I said, is a very quick one. So as you can see, I'm holding the camera on one hand and I'm coating my fish on the other hand. So coat all the fish pieces and make sure it is very well coated, okay, and remove the excess flour. And this is it, it is ready. So in the meantime, I am going to get some fresh oil ready, and I always use vegetable oil. I also prefer to use a fresh one each time I'm frying fish or chicken. Okay, so once the oil is hot enough, you can start deep frying your coated fish, and make sure you do not overcrowd the oil so that it doesn't start to cool down. Okay, put enough but not too much. I also wanted to tell you that this recipe also works with red fish, because I know a lot of people like red snapper fish. It work with it, or any other type of fish you like, but I am a big fan of tilapia, so that's why most of the time you see me using tilapia in my recipe. So let it fry about 1 to 2 minutes on one side, and then turn it over so that the other side can also fry. And look at this, this is a nice golden fish, and with this recipe you are guaranteed that your fish will come out perfectly fried. Okay, it won't start to break down because it is coated. Okay, so I know some people don't like to coat it. You can also fry it without it, without the flour, and I also have the recipe, so please check it out. So once your fish is nicely coated, leave it on kitchen towel so that the oil can drain, and that's it. This is it, guys. This is how to make a very tasty, quick coated fish, tilapia fish, and you can eat it with your kenke, with anything banku, anything you like. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.